Hey, bro, we at Taco Bell, man. You hear me? Wait, we at Taco Bell. We at Taco Bell. You
What's
hear?
that good?
Huh?
Let's eat. Come on.
Let's eat.
Taco.
Hey. Hey, I gotta get going, bro. Ray, I gotta go, man.
Pizza.
I got to go.
A box of something.
You said pizza. Hey, Slash, we gotta go, man.
Food first.
We got to go, man.
Food first.
Who first? Food first. All right, I'm right here, bro. I'm at Taco Bell with him, Bush, man.
Let's go for everyone.
I'm at Taco Bell, man. Bro, you good? You straight, man?
I'm straight. Get down.
Huh? Man, you got weed on the side of your lip, man. Come on, man. We got to go. Come on, Ray. Let's roll, man. You ready to go? Snacks, we got to go, man. I got to go.
Alright, come on, let's go.
Damn, man. You got fucked up. You can't be drinking like that, man. You can't be smoking like that, man.
Come on, no more.
You good?
Yeah, come on.
Alright, it's right here, man. We right here, man. This Taco Bell, man. That's Taco Bell. You ready?
Taco Bell.
Taco Bell, right here, man. Right here.
And the hotel is right there.
Yeah, this is Tampa.
Okay,
so you go over in the area, man.
I got to eat.
You hungry, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let me take it down now then. Let's back this motherfucker up, man. Hey, damn, bro. I'm trying to get you to wake up for an hour, man. Almost 30, 40 minutes. You feel me? You feel me?
You put 2 rooms on me. I was like, fuck it.
Man, you got too fucked up, man. I still can't believe you lost your damn phone, bro. Come on, man. You got the door open. God damn. You got the door open and shit. Where the damn taco shit at, man? Alright, let me go right here, man. We at Taco Bell, man. You good? Snatch, straight?
Yeah.
Alright, we at Taco Bell right now.
Alright, go.
We at Taco Bell. Look.
Alright. Let me get a
Hello. It ain't even fucking, they ain't answer.
Let me get a number.
Hey, you know, I think they motherfucking closed be 100 with you. Hello? Man, this shit gotta be closed, bro. We at a motherfucking Taco Bell. That shit out of order right now, man. You straight though?
Yeah, baby.
Shit. I don't think they open, bro. I ain't said hello so many times. Let me ride around this bitch, dog. I bet you ain't nobody in that motherfucker. I bet you $1 million that shit. Watch this shit. Ain't nobody in this motherfucker, man. Look at that. You got the door. Man, these motherfuckers ain't open, man. Ain't nobody in that bitch. Nice. Hey, bro, how much is that drop y'all to the back, dog?
Come on.
Alright, let me. Oh, watch the door. Oh, shit, about to hit that wall, man. Alright, that's all, y'all. We just cooling. We fucked up tonight. Had a long night. Party night. Shit get real, man. Snacks, you hear me?
Yeah.
Let them know, Snacks. This shit real out here, man. About ready to spend them dome out this bitch. Alright, I'm gonna go the other way, though. I'm gonna hit the back way. Fuck that shit.